There is no doubt that this is the most beautiful beach in Curacao. Welcome to Kenepa.
I'm Shady, a traveler and Curacao expert. Let me show you around.
Near to the west point of the island, you find Kenepa Beach, one of the most beautiful beaches on the island. Here you can swim and enjoy just a day at this public beach. It is public though, meaning that there are no fancy bar, restaurant, and all of that. But it's just nature and you.
It is your choice how you decide to get in, the regular way or the more exciting way. Regardless of how you do it, you are guaranteed to fall in love with the dreamy blue waters of Playa Kenepa. Other than Playa Kenepa, this beach is also called Knip, Playa Grande, Kenepa Grande, or just Kenepa. Bringing your own food, snacks, drinks, and mat to lay on is necessary. As mentioned before, Playa Kenepa is a public beach, so there's basically nothing there. Some picnic benches with palapa sun covering are available, but those go very quickly. Being the most beautiful beach on the island, you will see young and old enjoying it. My suggestion is to arrive at the beach early on weekends. It can get quite busy anytime after that, making it hard to find some decent place to set up camp. Since the water is so clear, snorkeling is not that great close to shore. Nonetheless, you will be able to spot some small fishes here and there, like the ones that kept swimming right next to my feet. Before you leave, be sure to take one last selfie on the lookout. This is a shot that will make all your friends jealous. As always, show your love by liking this video and subscribing to my channel.